SARKS Greenville Automotive, we care about the quality of our service and value our customers' opinion. Check out this new positive review. Since SARKS took over from the previous owner of Greenville Auto Repair, with whom we did business for more than a decade, our level of satisfaction has remained at 10 out of a possible 10 gold stars. And just today, Jeremy sent a text to follow up on how my car has been running since the last service visit. I was pleasantly surprised by the text. Let's face it, when was the last time you were sent a follow-up text or received a phone call from an auto care company? You certainly wouldn't get one from a dealership. So, if you live in the Greenville, South Carolina area and need a reliable service company for your car or other vehicle, check out SARKS Greenville Auto Repair. You won't regret it. Sue Oaks. Thank you, Sue, for leaving a positive review. We strive to provide the best service for our customers. To experience the same excellent service from SARKS Greenville Auto Repair, contact us today.